Dear Sherry, I saw the directions on your website for making alcohol cannabis tincture. I'm interested in making some MCT oil tincture. Do you have instructions for this, or is it just a matter of infusing oil? Thank you. That's a good question. The short answer is yes, with a tweak or two. Before I get to the longer answer, though, just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a huge favor, hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos. It helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Okay, the question was about making MCT oil tincture. MCT oil, if you don't know about this, this is a very healthy coconut oil that stays liquid at room temperature, and it's a great choice for infusions and tinctures. MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides, okay, but beyond that science, it's a very healthy form of coconut oil that really works well. So is making a tincture any different than infusing oil? Not really. That's really what you're doing. And technically, oil isn't a tincture by the dictionary definition. That would have to use a solvent. Nonetheless, MCT oil is sold as a tincture all over, and people use it that way. So we're going to call MC oil a tincture for the purposes of this video. So yes, it is just infused oil. You would infuse it like you would any other oil for cooking. I'll put a link in the comments below to some instructions for various foolproof methods of how to infuse oil. The only difference with a tincture is you might want to make it stronger than you would if you're making it for recipes, because you're going to only want to use, say, a few drops. Tinctures are typically used sublingually, meaning that you'll put a few drops under your tongue. This comes on a lot quicker than an edible, although slower than smoking, but it is a faster delivery method, although it doesn't tend to last quite as long. But that's how a lot of people do use tinctures. Of course, you can also make edibles with tinctures by just adding a few drops to food or drinks that you're eating, even food or drinks in a restaurant. Nobody need know that you're adding a cannabis tincture. So they're very, very handy to have. So the only difference, as I said, is make your tincture a bit stronger so that you're getting a decent dose in a few drops. And that's really the only difference. Otherwise, you can use your favorite method for infusing oil and infuse that MCT coconut oil, and it should really work well for you. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.